Welcome students. In today's class we will carry forward our discussion of kinematics of rigid bodies by solving some more problems. The next problem is using instantaneous center of rotation method, find the velocity of point A for the instant shown in figure. Collar B moves along the vertical rod whereas link AB moves along the plane which is inclined at 25 degrees. We have to take the value of theta as 45 degrees. So as this theta is given to us as 45, I have written here as 45 degrees in place of theta. And this problem was asked in December 2018 examinations. Now if you observe, there is only one body which is AB. So as there is only one body, there will be one ICR. Now how to locate ICR? We already know we have to draw the perpendiculars to the velocity. So let us say this is the point A which is moving in this particular direction. So the velocity of this point A will be in this direction, and as this rod moves towards this side, this B will try to come down. Or in other ways, if B goes up, as shown in this diagram, the velocity of B is shown up. So as B goes up, this A will move along this line or this plane. So I can say the velocity direction of point A will be in this, and I will name it as VA. VB is already in vertical direction. Now what is our concept? Our concept is to find out ICR, draw perpendiculars to the velocity at that point. So what I will do, I will make one perpendicular at this point B to this velocity. So this will be my perpendicular. So you can see this is perpendicular to the velocity. Now at point A, the point A is moving along this direction at this instant. So perpendicular to this line of velocity will be somewhat like this. So I will make this as my line. You can see that this line is perpendicular to the velocity, and wherever these two perpendiculars meet, this is your ICR. So I have written I because there is only one ICR, so I have named it as I. Now let us proceed further. After doing this step, what is next step? Next step is to write down the link. So I have written link AB and corresponding ICR is I1. See, I am following exactly same step which we have followed in the previous problems. So I have written link AB, corresponding ICR is I1. And what are the two different points? The points are point A and point B. After writing point names, what we do? We write the equation for velocities. So I will write VA is equal to RIA. So see this, VA. Why RIA? Because I need distance from ICR to that particular point. Hence it is RIA. And omega will be omega AB because there is only one link AB. Similarly for VB, I have written VB is equal to RIB. Distance from I to that particular point, that is IB, multiplied by omega AB. Now what is the requirement? Requirements are the distances, that is RIB and RIA. So if you consider this triangle AIB, if you consider this triangle, I know this side AB. So if one side is known, and by geometry if we find out three angles of this triangle, we can apply sine rule. Let us see whether we can find out the three angles of this triangle. Let us start. Now in the figure it is given that this theta is 45. It is given here 45, and we also know that this line is perpendicular to this line. That means total angle is 90, out of which this is 45. So I will write down this angle is also 45 degrees because total angle is 90. Now let us go here. We know that this velocity or this line we have drawn perpendicular to this plane or perpendicular to the velocity of it. This is total is 90 degrees. Now to find out this angle in the triangle, we will take help of the angle which is given here. So now if I draw one line parallel to this line, so what will be this? It will be like this somewhat. So if this angle is 25, this angle will also become 25, corresponding angles, because I have drawn parallel line. I am just making use of a geometry. Now this angle is 25. Now if I complete this particular triangle, you can see this triangle AB, and let us say I am naming it as O. If this triangle ABO, in this triangle ABO, this angle is 90, this angle is 45. That means this total angle will become 45. remaining side of the remaining angle of the triangle. Out of this 45, this angle we have already found out as 25. So what will be this angle? The remaining angle will be 20 degrees. Now we also know that we have drawn this line as perpendicular to this. So this is 90. Out of this 90, this is 20 degrees. So this angle will remain to be as 90 minus 20, that is 70 degrees. Now in this triangle AIB, this angle is 45, this angle is 70. So the remaining angle will be 65 degrees. Sum of all the angles of triangle should be 180. As I got all the angles of triangle and also one side is known to me, I will apply sine rule in this triangle. So applying sine rule, I will get IB divided by, so you can see IB divided by sine of opposite angle, that is 70, or I can write sine A equal to IA divided by sine B is equal to AB divided by sine I. Thus substituting all the angles and the value of 1.2 of AB which we were given in the question, I will get answer for IB as 1.244 and IA as 0.936 meters. Now what I will do, I will just substitute this values and the value given in the question, that is this VB is equal to 1.5 in this particular equations. So what is given to me? VB. So I will start with VB only. That means I will start with this equation. So I will substitute here VB 1.5 is equal to, see 1.5 was given to me. IB I got as 1.244. So I substituted in place of RIB into omega AB. Now the only unknown in this equation is omega AB. So on solving this, I will get omega AB is equal to 1.2 meter per second. Now I will, as I got omega AB, I will substitute this omega AB here to get the answer for VA as 1.128 meter per second. This completes our solution. So again, you must have observed I have followed the same procedure which we have solved in the previous problems. That is, write the link name, write the ICR corresponding to it, write the point values, write the formula for the points, find the distances, substitute, get the answer. That's it.